friends, welcome back. Today we are going to start with the next topic of automobile engineering, that is vehicle specification. So in this video what we are going to do is we will take one specification of a hatchback car and one specification of a truck, that is a heavy commercial vehicle. So that will give a brief idea of how vehicle specifications are given. So let us move ahead. Now here you can see this vehicle uh, as it is a popular car, that is Baleno, made by Maruti Suzuki. Now what is the class of this vehicle? This vehicle is a hatchback car. Okay, so this comes under the category of premium hatchback car. So when you go in the showroom or when you go to any website of a car, or if you want to buy a car, the manufacturer will always give the specifications, or it is also called as the technical specification of that vehicle. So let us see it in details. Now here for this car it is given, the length of the car is given. So the length of the car is how much? Okay, 3995 meters. You can see this here. Okay, now the width is 1745. Again this is again different for the models. Okay, similarly here you can see the height of the vehicle from the ground, the wheelbase. Okay, wheelbase means wheel to wheel distance. Then boot space, so boot space is 339 liters. Sitting capacity 5 persons can sit. Engine capacity, now engine capacity is what? 1197. So this is what? The swept volume of the engine. Power max, so what is the power of the engine? 61 kilowatts at 6000 rpm. Okay, what is the torque? 113 newton meters and 4200 rpm. Number of cylinders is 4. The steering system is electric steering, rack and pinion type, means that rack and pinion type assessment is done by an electric motor. Okay, so that is again fuel capacity, fuel efficiency is how much? 21 kilometers per liter. Fuel capacity is 37 liters. So this was the specification of a car. Now let us see the specification of this Ashok Leyland truck, so which is a commercial vehicle. Now in this Ashok Leyland Boss, so the name is the name of that vehicle is called as the Boss. Okay, so it is 1415. 14 means what? 14 tonner. This is a 14 tonner vehicle. Okay, now the cabin is what? It is an enclosed cabin. The engine type, now what is the engine type? So they are having the H series engine, which is BS6 compliant 4 cylinder. Okay, iGen, that is intelligent 6th generation technology, what they call it as the so that engine. So basically it is what? A BS6 compliant engine. Okay, so what is the power? Max power is 150 horsepower at 2400 rpm. Again max torque is 450 newton meters at 1450 to 2000 rpm. So this max torque you will get in this range depending on the gearing ratios. So clutch is what? 330 mm diameter single plate clutch, dry type with clutch booster. So this is a single plate clutch having 330 mm diameter. Gearbox is what? 6 speed. So there are 6 speed options, and synchro mesh. and this is cable assisted gearbox. Cable assisted means what? The lever is directly connected with the cable, so the driver's effort to change the gear is quite reduced. So again, these details are those names given by the manufacturer. Propeller shaft. Now what is the propeller shaft type? Heavy duty monotron propeller shaft. Rear axle is what? Full floating. Now see, you will study these types of axles in your coming units. So this is what? Full floating single speed rear axle with hypod. Okay. So all these things, when as we go in the gearbox, the propeller shaft and the rear axle, you will come to know in details, right? Now again, here you can see the rear axle is what? Fully floating single speed rear axle with hypod RAR. Front axle is what type? Now see, front axle is forged I section. Okay, forged I section reverse Elliott type. So types of axles we are going to study. In that you will definitely study the rear axle and front axle. So this is one of the type, rear Elliott type. I section, that is the front axle. Steering system is what? Integral power steering. Now generally in most heavy vehicles it is a hydraulic power steering. Frame. Now this frame dimensions are given: length, width and the distance, the frame of the chassis. Front suspension. Now what is the suspension? Parabolic lip spring, shock absorber. So the damper is a shock absorber and it is a parabolic spring. Now rear suspension is semi-elliptic suspension. So again this is a type of suspension at the rear wheels. Again brakes are fully air dual line. So there are dual liners pneumatic brakes. Fuel tank is how much? 105 liters and 208 liters. There are two options available. You can either buy 105 liter fuel tank or 208 liter fuel tank. AdBlue. Now AdBlue is what? AdBlue capacity is 24 liters. So in BS6 diesel engine vehicles, all vehicles, it is having a separate AdBlue tank, which is used to reduce the NOx. So it is also called it is used in the SCR technology. It is also called as the selective catalytic reduction. Now electricals are given, tire size is given and the gross vehicle weight. Okay, so these are the general specifications. Thank you friends, thank you very much.